Welcome to SharkFlowPOD, the AI-powered platform built exclusively for print-on-demand sellers. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through every tool, section by section, following the exact menu inside the app. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use SharkFlowPOD to research your niche, build your brand, create content, and grow your store on Shopify, Etsy, or Amazon. Let's get started. When you log in, you land on the dashboard. On the left is your sidebar. Every tool in the platform, organized by category. At the bottom of the sidebar is your project selector. A project is your brand workspace. Create one, and your brand data flows automatically into every tool, so you never re-enter the same information twice. At the top right, you'll see your generation counter. This shows how many AI generations you have left this month, your current plan, and your AI status. On the far right side of the screen, you'll notice vertical quick access buttons. Calendar and Shark AI are permanent, visible on every page. Calendar opens your content calendar instantly from anywhere. Shark AI is your built-in assistant. Ask questions, get guidance, or troubleshoot without leaving the page you're on. Research and branding appear contextually, only on tools where they're relevant. They show up when the tool you're using can benefit from jumping back to your research report or brand strategy. That's it for this section. The full platform is free to try at SharkFlowPOD.com. No credit card needed. The Shark is building winners. Now it's your turn. Research section. The first item in the sidebar is research. This is your foundation. Start here when building a new brand. But before you get there, SharkFlow walks you through a quick first-time setup. When you log in for the first time, you'll be prompted to create your first project, your brand workspace. Give it a name. From this point forward, every generation you make gets saved to that project automatically, and your brand data flows through every tool in the platform. Once your project is created, you'll land in research, and SharkFlow asks you one question before anything else. Where are you in your POD journey? If you're starting from scratch, no store yet, building your first brand, you go straight into the research wizard. If you already have a store, a brand scan field appears. Paste your store URL, and SharkFlow analyzes your existing brand and pre-fills the research form automatically. You can always skip and fill it manually. SharkFlow remembers your answer. You won't be asked again. You can change it anytime in settings. The Research Wizard runs a 12-step deep analysis on any niche. Step by step, it covers market demand, competition levels, target audience psychology, top product ideas, pricing strategy, platform fit, seasonal trends, and more. I'll type in a niche, dog mom apparel. The wizard walks me through each step, and at the end, I have a complete market research report, ready to feed into every other tool in the platform. Tribe Intelligence is one of the most powerful features in SharkFlow. This is our proprietary audience intelligence system. It goes beyond basic demographics. Tribe Intelligence builds a complete map of your people across 6 tabs. Identity map, who your tribe is at their core, their values, personality, lifestyle, and what defines them as a group. Language decoder, the exact words, phrases, inside jokes, and tone your tribe uses. This is the language you use in your ads, listings, and emails. Emotion engine, the emotional triggers that drive their buying decisions. What they love, what they fear, what makes them feel seen. Moment calendar, the key dates, seasons, and life moments your tribe celebrates. This is your content and product launch calendar. Content DNA, the content formats, topics, and hooks that your tribe engages with and shares. Design collection, the visual style, color language, typography, and aesthetic that resonates with your tribe. Once you run Tribe Intelligence, all of this data flows automatically into your ads, email flows, and design tools. You never start from zero. Also inside research is the logo generator. Select your niche, your brand style, and your color palette. The logo generator outputs 3 real logo variants: color, dark, and light, powered by ideogram. These are actual image outputs, ready to download as PNG and use on your store, packaging, and social media. That's it for this section. The full platform is free to try at SharkFlowPOD.com. No credit card needed. The Shark is building winners. Now it's your turn. Branding section. Branding has 2 parts: brand strategy and brand assets. Brand strategy is the central hub for your brand identity. Define your brand name, tone of voice, unique selling proposition, target audience, platforms, and business stage. Save it to your project, and every tool in the platform pulls from it automatically. When brand strategy is saved, you'll see a Brand Context Active badge on every tool, confirming that your brand data is pre-filling the inputs behind the scenes. This is the step that makes SharkFlow feel like a connected system, not just a collection of tools. Fill this in once, everything else follows. Brand Assets is your visual identity vault, everything in one place. Upload your logo and favicon. Both are used across the app wherever your brand visuals appear. Save your brand color palette. Colors saved here from Color Analysis auto-populate your HTML email templates and design tool. Add your shop URL, social media links, and font choices so every generated output aligns with your real brand presence. If you've run Community Club, your community assets are also stored here. The club logo in 2 versions: light for dark backgrounds, dark for light backgrounds, plus your community avatar, keeping all your brand visuals organized in one place. That's it for this section. The full platform is free to try at SharkFlowPOD.com. No credit card needed. The Shark is building winners. Now it's your turn. Design Lab section. Design Lab is your creative toolkit. All tools here pull from your saved brand context automatically, with one exception, which you'll see in the first tab. Design Prompt Generator is the first tab in Design Lab, and the only tool in the platform that requires manual niche input. This is intentional. Unlike every other tool, Design Prompt Generator is not limited to your saved brand. You can enter any niche, any concept, any direction, making it useful for exploring completely new ideas, client work, or anything outside your current brand context. Enter your niche and design concept, and get multiple AI image prompts optimized for print on demand. Ready to paste directly into Midjourney, DALL-E, Adobe Firefly, or Ideogram. AI Prompt Engineer takes prompt creation further. It engineers structured, layered prompts with style directives, composition rules, and output specifications tailored specifically for POD design workflows. Image Studio generates actual product and lifestyle images, not just prompts. Select your design type: image only, image with text, or text only. The routing is automatic. Flux 2 Pro handles photorealistic imagery. Ideogram handles text-heavy designs with near-perfect text rendering. You get 3 variations per generation: mock-up concepts, lifestyle scenes, and flat-lay compositions, without hiring a photographer. Name Generator suggests creative brand and product names for your niche. Great for naming collections, product lines, or stores. Fast, powered by Haiku for instant results. Color Analysis builds a strategic color palette for your niche. Not just colors you like, colors that match your audience's psychology and convert. You get primary, secondary, and accent colors with hex codes, ready to apply across your store and designs. Save your palette directly to brand assets with one click. Reverse design works the other way around. Upload any existing product image, a bestseller from Etsy or Amazon, and the AI decodes its design strategy. Style, color logic, typography approach, niche positioning, and why it works. This is how you learn from what's already selling, without copying. Launch Kit, the final tab in Design Lab, generates a complete go-to-market plan for any new product. Positioning, messaging, launch sequence, channel strategy, email timeline, and social content plan, all in one output. Stop launching blind. Start every product with a plan. That's it for this section. The full platform is free to try at SharkFlowPOD.com. No credit card needed. The Shark is building winners. Now it's your turn. SEO section. SEO is a dedicated section in SharkFlow. Everything you need to rank on Shopify, Etsy, and Amazon in one place. Product SEO package creates a complete optimized listing for any product. Upload your design image optionally, enter your product type, platform, design title, and target audience, and get back an optimized title, full description, bullet points, and a complete tag set. Keywords are grouped by buyer intent, gift, self-purchase, occasion, or identity, which is what separates listings that rank from listings that disappear. SEO content article generates full blog articles optimized for search, ready to publish on your Shopify store to drive organic traffic over time. Enter your niche and topic and get a complete article with headline, body sections, internal link suggestions, and meta description. Publishing 2 to 4 articles per month is one of the highest ROI activities a POD seller can do. AI Search Optimizer restructures your product and brand content so it gets picked up by AI search tools like ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Google AI Overviews, which are increasingly how buyers discover products. Listing Rewriter takes your existing live listings and rewrites them with better SEO structure, stronger hooks, and cleaner conversion copy. Paste in your current title and description, select your platform, and get an improved version without starting from scratch. Meta and Titles generates SEO-optimized meta titles and descriptions for your store pages, the text that appears in Google search results. Most POD sellers never touch these, which means they're leaving organic clicks on the table. Enter your page type and get ready to paste meta copy for Shopify, Etsy, or Amazon. That's it for this section. The full platform is free to try at SharkFlowPOD.com. No credit card needed. The Shark is building winners. Now it's your turn. Content Studio section. Content Studio covers your day-to-day marketing content, from broadcast email campaigns to social posts, copy refinement, and competitor analysis. All tools pull from your saved brand context automatically. Email Campaign creates complete broadcast sequences, not just single emails, but full campaigns with subject lines, body copy, and a send calendar for every email. 3 modes. Normal, 2 emails per month, relationship first. Semi-aggressive, 4 to 6 per month, balance of value and sales. BFCM and big sale. Maximum conversion in a short window for Black Friday and major sale events. Select your duration, 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, or custom, and get the full campaign ready to deploy. Generate creates marketing copy for your products and brand, product descriptions, collection page copy, launch announcements, and more. Everything is pre-filled with your brand context, so every output is already written in your brand voice. Social Post generates ready-to-publish posts for Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Pinterest, and more. Select your platform, content type, and goal, and get posts written in your brand tone using the language and hooks that match your tribe's communication style. Copy Refiner sharpens any text with 5 one-click modes. Punch makes it more impactful. Trim cuts the fluff. Hook rewrites the opening to stop the scroll. Ghost gives it a polished ghostwriter voice, and Viral restructures it for maximum shareability. Paste your copy, click one button, get an improved version in seconds. Subject Line Tester scores your email subject lines before you send, rating open rate potential, emotional trigger strength, curiosity factor, and spam risk. It also suggests improved alternatives for the weakest ones. Test before you send and stop losing opens to weak subject lines. Competitor research analyzes the content strategy of top sellers in your niche, posting frequency, content types, top performing hooks, and content gaps they're missing. Use it to find the white space where you can stand out, not to copy what's already there. That's it for this section. The full platform is free to try at SharkFlowPOD.com. No credit card needed. The shark is building winners. Now it's your turn. Email section. The email section is your complete email marketing system. Automated flows, branded templates, platform strategy, and customer communication. Email flows gives you pre-written Klaviyo sequences ready to customize and deploy. Welcome flow. 6 emails triggered when someone joins your list. Abandoned cart. 5 emails triggered when someone adds to cart but doesn't buy. Abandoned checkout. 5 emails for the highest intent visitors who started checkout but didn't finish. Plus flows for post-purchase, win-back, browse abandonment, VIP, and more. Your niche, brand name, and tone are already loaded. Just hit generate. HTML Builder gives you visually designed, branded email templates. No coding needed. Choose a template, add your brand colors and copy, and paste the finished HTML directly into Klaviyo. Professional-looking emails that match your brand in minutes. Klaviyo Strategy generates a complete store-specific email marketing plan, segmentation framework, recommended send frequency, 12-month campaign calendar, flow priority order, and automation roadmap. Everything you need to build or optimize your Klaviyo account from scratch. MailChimp Strategy does the same for sellers using MailChimp. Same depth of strategy, adapted specifically for the MailChimp platform and its features. Customer Support Reply generates professional, on-brand responses to common customer service situations. Return requests, shipping delays, wrong items, and negative reviews. Protects your seller rating, saves time, and ensures you never send a poorly worded response to a difficult customer. That's it for this section. The full platform is free to try at SharkFlowPOD.FULL. No credit card needed. The shark is building winners. Now it's your turn. Ads section. The ads section covers everything for paid traffic: copy, creative concepts, AI-generated visuals, and headlines. Ad Copy Generator uses the Andromeda method, a multi-angle framework that generates 10 to 20 distinct ad texts in a single run, each targeting a different psychological angle, awareness level, and persona. This gives the Facebook and Instagram algorithm maximum creative diversity to find your buyers faster and at lower cost. Enter your niche, product, CTA, and awareness levels, and get a complete set of ready-to-test ads. Ad Creative Generator creates complete visual briefs and AI image prompts for your ad creatives. Select your ad style: lifestyle, carousel, flat lay, before and after, or UGC, and get a detailed scene description and ready-to-use prompt for Midjourney, Ideogram, or Flux. Ad Creative Studio goes further. Instead of just prompts, it generates actual ad-ready images. Upload your product image, describe your concept, and get finished ad visuals using advanced AI image generation. Real outputs you can use directly in your campaigns. Headlines generates high-converting headline variations for listings, ad headlines, and social captions. Select your goal: click-through, conversion, or engagement, and get multiple styles: curiosity, benefit-driven, social proof, urgency, and identity. Test across your channels and keep the winners. That's it for this section. The full platform is free to try at SharkFlowPOD.FULL. No credit card needed. The shark is building winners. Now it's your turn. Growth Plan section. Growth Plan is where everything comes together into a real business strategy. Clarity, direction, and momentum week after week. Community Club. Powered by your Tribe Intelligence data, builds your brand community from scratch in 4 steps. Step 1. Club name. AI generates 5 tailored community name ideas. You confirm before anything else unlocks. Step 2. Club logo. Upload or generate. You get a light version for dark backgrounds and a dark version for light backgrounds. Step 3. Club avatar. Upload or generate 3 AI variations. Step 4. Community plan. Full strategy with identity statement, content pillars, UGC campaigns, weekly rituals, viral growth mechanics, and a system for your first 100 members. Everything connects to your email flows and content calendar automatically. Action Plan generates a personalized 30-day growth roadmap based on your niche, platform, and business stage, broken into 4 weekly blocks, each with a specific focus, daily actions, and measurable goals. Your North Star for the month. Quick Actions gives you a list of high-impact tasks you can complete in 30 minutes or less. Specific, concrete, immediately actionable. When you don't know what to work on next, open this and pick one. Daily Schedule creates a realistic daily workflow structured around your available time and business stage, broken into morning, afternoon, and evening blocks with time estimates for each activity. Stop starting your day without a plan. Content Calendar maps your social media content to real calendar dates, holidays, awareness days, seasonal shopping moments, and niche-specific events for your audience. Each day includes a topic, format suggestion, hook, call to action, hashtags, and best posting time. Navigate between months to plan ahead. Weekly Review builds the habit of reflection. Answer a few quick questions about what worked, what didn't, and what got in the way, and get a structured review with specific priorities for next week. Do this every Sunday, and your business will look completely different in 3 months. Checklist generates a simple daily task list tailored to your platform, business stage, and growth phase. Open it at the start of your day and stay focused on what actually moves the needle. That's it for this section. The full platform is free to try at SharkFlowPOD.com. No credit card needed. The Shark is building winners. Now it's your turn. Optimize section. Optimize is your store performance hub. 3 pro tools built around CRO and SEO frameworks to help you convert more of the traffic you already have. Landing Page Audit analyzes your store against proven conversion rate optimization frameworks. Enter your store URL, niche, traffic source, platform, and current conversion rate. Then upload screenshots of each page section. You get a section-by-section breakdown of what's working, what's hurting conversions, prioritized fixes, and a seasonal update calendar. Store Blueprint Decoder reverse engineers any high-converting POD store. Enter a competitor or inspiration URL and get a complete breakdown. Layout strategy, copy approach, product positioning, pricing psychology, and conversion mechanics. Not to copy, but to understand the patterns and apply them to your own store. SEO Audit reviews your existing listings and tells you exactly what to fix. Paste your current title, description, and tags, and get a keyword coverage analysis, competitor gap breakdown, AI search readiness score, and a prioritized action plan telling you what to fix first. That's it for this section. The full platform is free to try at SharkFlowPOD.com. No credit card needed. The Shark is building winners. Now it's your turn. The Vault section. The Vault is your resource library. Complete brand blueprints, SEO prompt templates, education reviews, and a supplier directory in one place. 10 complete brand blueprints, one for each of the most profitable POD niches: dog moms, nurses, fitness, teachers, coffee lovers, cat lovers, mama bear, hiking and outdoor, Christian faith, and retirement. Each blueprint was built using SharkFlow itself: research report, brand strategy, design direction, ad copy, and growth plan included. Free users can view all 10. Basic and higher plans can clone any blueprint directly to their workspace and start building from it immediately. SEO Prompts is a curated library of ready-to-use prompt templates for common POD product and listing types. Copy a prompt, paste it into the SEO generator, and get an optimized listing without crafting the prompt from scratch every time. Shark Academy is our honest, unsponsored hub. Scored reviews of POD courses, YouTube channels, school communities, and Facebook groups. Every resource is rated on depth, accuracy, recency, community quality, and cost to value. No sponsorships, no bias. Use it to build a learning path that fits your stage and budget. POD Toolkit is a curated directory of tools, platforms, and suppliers for print-on-demand sellers, print partners, mock-up tools, design platforms, and more. Everything categorized and annotated so you have a vetted starting list without hours of research. That's it for this section. The full platform is free to try at SharkFlowPOD.com. No credit card needed. The Shark is building winners. Now it's your turn. Help Center and Pricing section. Help Center contains guides and tutorials for every tool in the platform, organized by section. If you're unsure how something works or what a field means, this is your first stop before reaching out to support. You can also use Shark AI, the built-in assistant on the right side of the screen, as your personal help center. Ask it anything about the platform, a specific tool, or your POD strategy, and get an instant answer without leaving the page you're on. SharkFlow has 4 plans. Free plan have 10 generations, no credit card required. Try every tool with full Claude Sonnet 4 quality before you commit. Basic plan, $49 per month or $37 annual. 100 generations, all core tools, 3 projects. Pro plan, $89 per month or $67 annual. 300 generations, all tools including advanced features. Community Club, landing page audit, store blueprint decoder, Klaviyo and MailChimp strategy, ad creative studio, social post, and email campaign. 10 projects. Lifetime plan, $697 one time. 600 generations per month, forever. Unlimited projects, plus BYOK. Connect your own Anthropic API key for unlimited usage at raw API cost. That's it for this section. The full platform is free to try at SharkFlowPOD.com. No credit card needed. The Shark is building winners. Now it's your turn.